The world's endangered species are facing a crisis that goes beyond shrinking habitats and climate change. Many have survived population crashes, but emerged genetically impoverished, lacking the diversity they need to adapt to future threats. Now, scientists are proposing a revolutionary solution, using the same gene editing technologies behind drought-resistant crops to restore lost genetic diversity in endangered species. A new study published in Nature Review's Biodiversity outlines 3 groundbreaking approaches. First, researchers could recover genetic variants that disappeared long ago by extracting DNA from museum specimens collected decades or centuries past, then using CRISPR technology to reinsert those variants into living populations. Second, scientists could facilitate adaptation by moving beneficial genes from closely related species or populations better suited to hotter climates or novel diseases. Third, they could correct harmful mutations that became fixed during population crashes, potentially boosting reproductive success and overall health. The pink pigeon of Mauritius demonstrates why this matters. Despite recovering from just 10 birds in the 1990s to over 600 today, genetic studies show the species continues losing diversity and could vanish within a century without intervention. According to study co-author Beth Shapiro from Colossal Biosciences, the same technological advances that allow us to introduce genes of mammoths into the genome of an elephant can be harnessed to rescue species teetering on the brink of extinction. However, researchers emphasize this isn't a magical fix. Any genetic interventions must start with small monitored trials, include robust community engagement, and complement traditional conservation efforts rather than replace them. With careful testing and ethical oversight, gene editing could provide the raw material evolution needs to keep Earth's most vulnerable species from vanishing during the turbulent decades ahead. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.